Hi everybody, John Esposito here, District Sales Manager with ABICOR BINZEL. Today we're going to talk about the ABIMIG AT air-cooled MIG gun. As you can see, we have a very nice slim design ergonomic handle. In addition to the ergonomic handle, we have a ball and socket which allows the welder to get a nice firm grip on the torch with excellent articulate movement as well, which is very important for out-of-position welding. Also, we have here an extended trigger design, which it doesn't take much pressure to activate the MIG gun. And with this extended trigger, it also makes it more comfortable for the welder to keep further away from the weld pool and allow the hand to be away from the extreme heat. Here I'm going to change out our standard neck. As you can see over here on the table, we have a variety of different necks that come with a neck liner designed for that particular size. As you can see, I'm going to put on here our flex neck. Very simple to do, very easy. The flex neck, of course, you can bend it at the desired length for that particular weld joint. In addition to the ABIMIG AT MIG gun, we here have our unique BICOR cable design, which is 30% lighter than our competitors in the industry, which is very important to the welders out there who are welding out of position or have the cable in their hands all day. We have here our nickel-plated nozzle, which helps deflect heat and spatter. And also we offer our high-quality consumables that come with all of our ABICOR BINZEL torches. If you would like to try out our ABIMIG AT air-cooled MIG gun, please contact your local distributor or your ABICOR BINZEL rep. This is John Esposito, your ABICOR BINZEL rep. Have a great day.